Green anacondas, the heaviest snake in the world. It can exceed 250 kilograms and reach up to 8 to 10 meters in length. It is harmless to humans but lethal to its prey. The reticulated python, the longest snake in the world, over 10 meters in extreme cases. Its distribution in Southeast Asia and its adaptability. 10.4-meter reticulated python found in Malaysia. The African rock python. A robust species with a maximum length of 7 meters. Its habitat is sub-Saharan Africa. Extinct giant snakes. Titanoboa, the largest known snake in the history of the planet, over 13 meters long and weighing approximately 1,135 kilograms.